right, guys, here we go. It's black. It has a pad on each side, and the pad is adjustable. Ooh. What is it?
Adjustable pads. Very nice.
Once again, I have the answer. Miraculously, Roger has the answer.
We'll see.
This is a booty carrier.
A booty carrier?
Yep.
Tell me more.
When I go to someone's house, they usually don't want me to come in because my feet are dirty.
Oh, you think that's the reason?
Right. You go in the house, you got a proposal, an invoice, and you're leaving
And mud.
mud all
Invoice,
over the
back
place.
door.
So we've got a left-hand booty,
Oh, look at that.
and
Like a
we
dispenser.
have a right-hand booty,
No kidding.
and all you got to do is get it out of there.
I didn't know there was lefts and rights.
Drop it on.
Hang on a second.
Now you're ready to present a bill.
So you think this is what's keeping you outside, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what size do you wear? Huge feet.
Well, help me down.
All wrong. You know, I don't always know what you guys are talking about, but it is helpful to know what you're thinking. And so something like this comes in real handy. It is actually a device that lets you read other people's thoughts.
Oh, boy.
Tommy,
Really?
yeah, look at
What do
it.
you sneak
Ready?
up behind him and
No,
put?
no, no. You just come right up and you ask.
Hey, Tommy.
I don't know if you want to know.
And so, wait, hang on. Is this thing working?
Probably is.
Is there
me try
nothing in
that.
there?
Let me
There's
try.
nothing in there?
What's going on in there? I'm getting nothing. You can't say that on TV. You can't say that on TV.
I know. That's why I'm not talking.
Have you noticed that the airlines are making their seats a little smaller?
Ooh, yeah.
All right, you go to the airport now that you have to take your bag and you see if it fits. You swipe your ticket, and then there's one last step they ask you to do nowadays.
Uh-oh.
You check your baggage, if you know what I mean.
Wow. Looks like you're going to have to check that
No more
baggage.
peanuts for me.
Well, you guys are all wrong, as usual. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what it is right now. I have to take you outside to show you.
Oh, a road trip.
Follow me.
Forgot your booties.
Now, I actually keep one of these in the back seat of the car. It goes under the headrest like that. So if you have young children or adults and you're taking a long trip, you get tired, you want to rest your head, well, you just adjust this down, and now I can sleep nice and comfortable.
It's like your own little car seat.